cat. I'm trying to do my video, and this cat, she just won't leave me alone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this Halo Smokey Eye look. I used the blue in it today from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the new one that launched, not the Vault palette, but the one before that one. I get a lot of compliments whenever I do the whole like smoky eye halo technique, so I thought I'd kind of show you a little bit of how I actually do it. Obviously everyone excuse me while I die. I thought I would do one just to kind of show you the basics of what I do. You can change the color that's on the lid part. I just used the blue today because I thought it was pretty and I haven't used that palette yet. But anyway, so if you like what you see, just hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye area using the Soft Ochre, or Ochre, however you say it, by MAC. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid, and then next I'm gonna take out my Elcie Minimalist and take the shade Blank Star and put it all over my lid as well. Next I'm gonna take the shade Tone Up and put it all in my crease. You don't have to be exact with this. I like to put mine in there a little sloppy. Then I'm gonna take Warmth and I'm gonna go ahead and start creating that kind of halo effect. I'm just gonna kind of do the outer corner and buff it in the inner corner a little bit, just really nice and slow. Then I'm gonna take some of the black, and I'm gonna start buffing that right there where I just put the red shade. I'm just gonna kind of buff it right there on the outside and then again on the inner corner, and I'm just gonna keep working it in there until I get it to where I like it. Next, I'm just going to take my fluffy brush that I had the red shade on, and I'm going to go ahead and just start to buff that out and just kind of fluff it around, if you will. You don't have to be exact with it. I like to keep mine kind of sloppy and just kind of go all over until you get it kind of how you like it. Next, I'm going to take that Soft Ochre again, and I'm just going to put it in the middle of my lid, just to make the color that I'm going to put right there pop a little bit more. I'm going to take this pretty royal blue shade from Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am going to use my fingers to just pat it all over the lid. I'm just going to keep kind of building it up until I get it to a color that I really like. Then I'm going to take my fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to kind of go back in there with a little bit of black on the brush and just kind of blend it all out. Again, you don't have to be exact with this. It's supposed to look kind of smoky and messy, and I am going to add a little more black just because I want mine to look a little heavier. Next, I'm going to take a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to wipe right underneath there. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner, and it is the Morphe Cosmetics, or Morphe brushes, in the color Slate. I'm then going to take my fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to buff some of that kind of blue color underneath my eyes. Here's me setting my face. I've already done all my other makeup. It just made the video way too long, so I decided not to include it in there. I like to carve it out really good. That sounded really creepy. But really, I like to set my face with a powder still. I'm old school. Hey guys, so that completes this look. I only used the two palettes, the Elcie Cosmetics Minimalist palette, and I also used the Jaclyn Hill palette for just the blue shadow on the lid area. If you liked what you saw, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and comment below if you have any tutorials you want to see. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!